Yes, thank you very much. Today I am going to present the points and shapes and patterns for class 3 students. Yes, for class 2 also I mentioned briefly, but here I am going to mention detail. The title of my lecture is Lines, Shapes and Patterns. First I will talk of the definitions, then I will go to the problem. Now, the most important definition of the point is written here. It determines an exact location and represented by a capital letter of English alphabets. It is made by a dot or a smallest circle. Smallest circle, example, just say this is the dot, point. It can be written as capital A or dot on capital letters. I have given some example here. It does not have dimension with only dimensional and no length. This is the definition of the point. This has to be made clear to the students. The second is the line segment. It is also very important because line segment has been used in order to define the various shapes. I will discuss later on. The line segment, shortest distance between the 2 points. Just here I have given, for example, point A, point B. This is the shortest distance between point A and B. It is also referred as straight line, and it is represented by AB with the dot line covering A to B. Now it has certain properties. First, it has two endpoints just like A and B. It has a finite length and it can be measured by the ruler. That is the two-three property. Again, I am going to discuss the other property as well. Just fourth is the line. The line is extension part of line segment oblique straight line. With arrow at both end of the straight line. For example I am just giving you. Suppose here it is a point, here it is a B point, so the shortest distance becomes this. But when you are extending this here as well as here, so you are extending on this right direction, here the left direction, then it can be represented by, suppose it is extended up to X point and it is extended up to Y. So it can be expressed as X, Y line with the direction. This is very, very important. It has an infinity length. It can go up to infinity length. अब देखिए, अब इसकी प्रॉपर्टीज क्या है? Properties A. It has no end point. In line segment, you have the end point, but here it can go up to infinity. Second, B, it cannot be measured. Because you don't know up to what distance it has gone. Third, it is represented by arrow in left and right direction. For example, this is the left. सॉरी, देखिए हमसे भी गलती हो रही है तो ध्यान रखिएगा, बच्चे तो मैंने बच्चे हैं. दिस इज राइट, दिस इज राइट डायरेक्शन, and this is the left direction. Generally, this is not used in the practice. Now I am coming to the ray. Fifth point. Ray. It is extension of, it is मैं छूट गया, मैं लिख दिया. It is extension of line segment or straight line only in one direction. With arrow. अब एग्जाम्पल देखिए. एग्जाम्पल, अब देखिए ये क्या है, यहां पर ए पॉइंट है, ये बी पॉइंट है, स्ट्रेट लाइन ये है. If you are extending to this to the right direction with arrow, then it can be written as A, B, arrow in right direction. One can ask, to clear the students, what one should give the example. Suppose sun is at a point, and all rays coming to the earth is the sun's rays. So I am just here writing example, sun's ray. Here it is a position of sun, it is a position of the earth, EARTH. So this is an example of the sun's rays. That means rays comes from a point to the observer. It is very, very important thing. This is example of A and this is a B condition. अब देखिए तीसरा कंडीशन क्या है. A, it has one end just like A or sun. D, it cannot be measured. It cannot be measured because it can be extended up to infinity. Very large I am writing, very large, because infinity word is not familiar to a student. But teacher should know. E, it is represented by R. R I have said R, A, B, this. Now, these are the definition of the ray. I will give some definition of the shapes also. Six is the shapes. In the beginning of my lecture, in the various classes, I have already discussed the shapes, but here I am just discussing the shape also. Shapes. 6. I will only discuss shapes. First, circle. Yes. For circle, it is a closed curve. ध्यान सुनिएगा, ये दिस इज a closed curve. B, triangle. It is made by the closed curve. Triangle. This one, it is made by 3 straight line. Straight line. C, square. It is made by 4 equal line segment. Then D, rectangle. It is made by 4 line segment but opposite sides are opposite sides with equal opposite side कर लीजिए, equal opposite sides. Then I will give some, you can say, example so that a student should understand. Rather than question, so teacher should also know whether the student have understood or not. Question 1. Some figures are given below. Some figures are given below. Identify them. identify them. As S, as S, L, and R, with name in box. अब देखिए S stands for line segment. And L stands for line. Line only. And R stands for ray. ये आपका मीनिंग दोबारा बता दिया हूं. अब क्या करना है, अब देखिए. अब यहां पर मैं एक ए भी लिख रहा हूं. पॉइंट ये है और ये है ए और ये है बी. दूसरा है अगेन ए बी बट एक्सटेंडेड इन वन डायरेक्शन. दूसरा है ए बी एक्सटेंडेड अप एंड डाउन. एंड देन अगेन देखिएगा A, B, but extended in this direction. So you have to mention here, I am just giving the example here. This is the AB line segment with this, और यहाँ पर S लिख दीजिए. Same thing you write here, same thing right here, same thing right in this box. अब देखिए, अब क्वेश्चन 2. नेम points between A and B on line segment or straight line. Points are given. Here A and B. Points are M, N, O, P, Q, R. This will only give the background when we are going to discuss in detail shapes and pattern. Thank you very much.